Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we can create DHCP pool in router. So first we have to take a router 2811. Yeah, we're going to create two VLANs, so we're going to use two switches 2960. Two end devices. Let's take two end devices. Okay. Let's connect them. Make sure you know what interface you put from router to switch. It's more easier to configure it. I'm always working like that, so I put from router FA00 and on switch FA01. It's more easier to configure them after because you know the number to the interface. Yeah, now in devices. Here it will be interface 2 and 3. FA02 and FA03. This one. Same to be on another one. FA02 and FA03. Here, let's see. Let's put a VLAN. We call this VLAN 10, and IP address. Let's say 192. You can put any IP address, which one you want. 68.1.0. And this one VLAN 20. The IP address 192.168.2.0. Okay, let's at first you have to start configuring the switch. Yeah, so we can switch CLI English config terminal 10, and let's put the VLAN. So create the VLAN 10, name, data. You have to give them a name. Yeah, it will be data. Yeah, let's VLAN from here. So we have to put this interface, which one is FA01. Yeah, we have to put on mode trunk, and these two we have to put them on mode access. Yeah, so in FA01, enter switch port mode trunk. Yeah, and exit interface no, I have to say interface range FA0/2.3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. Exit, do that. Okay, so if you can see, they will change now on green again. You can fast forward them from there and they will change very fast. Okay, with this switch is done. Let's do the second one, CLI, enter, 15, VLAN 20. Yeah, so this will be VLAN 20. Yeah, name, data 1. Okay, data 1. Okay, now we have to put the exit first. We have to put the interface, this interface on mode trunk. So the fa0/1 switch port mode trunk, and these two interfaces we put them in mode access. So this, how we see earlier, it's interface to entry, yeah. So interface range fa0/2 to 3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 20. Exit, do right. So we're done in this switch as well. Let's go on the router. First, in the router we have to, so CLI here the task, if we want to load the preview settings, but we don't have any because it's new, so we say no. English config T, and here at first the best is to switch the interfaces, yeah, FA00 and FA01 on trunk and no shutdown, yeah. So FA0/0 enter, no say shutdown, yeah, so no say hash. If you will see now, this interface, it will turn green, yeah. Now next one, interface FA0/1 no shutdown as well, turning green. Okay, okay, now we have to start to create the DHCP pool, but at first we have to make encapsulation for both VLANs, yeah. So we have to use this one to see this interface FA00, it will be for VLAN 10. So interface FA0/0 dot 10, because it's for VLAN 10, yeah? Enter, encapsulation dot 1Q 10. Okay. IP add to be the gateway IP, which one it will be just for interfaces. So we have 1.0, we'll put 1.1 in the end, yeah. So IP add 192.68.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. It's the most common IP address for subnet mask. Exit, and now let's create the DHCP pool for this VLAN, yeah. So IP DHCP pool, this one we name this one data, yeah. So data, and let's put it here. So VLAN 10 name data, and this one also VLAN 20 name data very important, data and data 1. Okay, so we add neuter fork 192.168.1.0 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter, and we have the default router there. It's 192.168.1.1. So the default router is the gateway for the interfaces, which one is going from router to switch and to the end devices. So for these interfaces, we're going to use this IP address, and we have to exclude this one for the end devices to use it. So now enter. We have IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.1.1. So this IP address, they will don't use any computer that is not going to use this IP address. So we have do right, yeah. So now let's see. Oh, okay, we have to go on computer desktop, IP config, and here from static we have to change on the DHCP. The requesting address, yeah, so it was requesting address, say request successful, and look, because we set up to don't use 1.1, he took this IP address 1.2, because 1.1 is default gateway. We can add a DNS server as well, IP address for DNS server, but on another video probably, yeah. So the same we do for another VLAN now. So we have IP DHCP pool, data 1, yeah. Third neuter 192.168.2.0, yeah, because here we use different IP address because it's two VLANs. So here we have .1, here we have .0, yeah. If we use this, we can use the same IP address, but because we have two VLANs, it's better to put like it's more easier to configure it, yeah. So 20 subnet mask the same 255.255.255.0, yeah. Default router, default router, it's 192.168.2.1, and IP, like when you for DNS, if you want to add a DNS server, we just DNS server plus 192.168.3.1, yeah. Let's say like this. Oh, okay, so DNS server 192.168.3.1, and we'll see for this one we'll have DNS server on the computer. We have to exclude the address, IP address from the default gateway. So IP DHCP excluded address, it's 192.168.2.1. do rent. Oh, so we have to create very important encapsulation at first. So encapsulation dot 1q. Sorry. At first we have to create interface, sub-interfaces, so it will be interface fa0/1 because this interface from here is fa0/1, yeah, dot 20 because we have VLAN 20, okay, and now I move cancellation dot 1q20 IP add 192.168.2 dot 1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 enter AX, oh sorry, do right. Okay, so this VLAN now it will have subnet. So if we look on this one IP config, we don't have DNS server, yeah, give us the just default gateway. So let's go on this desktop, IP config, static DHCP successful. So the difference is DNS. On this one we add DNS when we configure the DHCP pool. Yeah, so now we take IP address for this and device is 2.2. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.